Hey tubers, this is in the vise is an old exhaust manifold bolt for an early small block. I can't remember. Sorry about the noise, I'm watching in harm's way. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, bear with me guys. Let's turn on the light here. This is the dipstick that I got from Summit, from Lokar. This is a beautiful piece, one of their dipsticks, but then I'm going to this bolt right here because I can work it with a ratchet and get it tight. So I'm going to thread this in and then tighten it up because it is, hold it, let's go here.
2 destroyers hit by mines. 1 destroyer torpedoed by boats. What? Repeat. 1 Mogami-class cruiser hit and dead in the water, sir. That's cutting them down the side.
But you see that hex right there? Yeah, we're going to draw that up. But I've got to thread this down.
That's it, sir.
And then we're going to trim it to the length of a header bolt and put a washer in there and then lock it. Then on the other side here, we're going to thread this down and we're going to put a spacer, a washer, then a spacer, then dipstick holder, and then a nut. So that's what we're doing. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Alright, here's a dipstick, there's the bracket, spacer, it's screwed in into the header, and I got it as tight as I could, and this is 9/16 onto here. I didn't trim this side down, which I could have, but I left it alone. And the dipstick, of course, works. So, all these header bolts are tightened down. All the spark plug wires are back on. And now we're on to the driver's side. Later. Evening tubers, it's Sunday evening. And we've gotten the I can't point, I'll point with the flashlight. We have gotten the new dipstick in, and I had to make a spacer and a few other things, so that's all done. So let's see, what else? So the exhaust ends everything, so we got to fire it up, and we'll do that. But in the meantime, it's Sunday evening, and I'm drinking a beer and a shot and getting ready to build the rear half of the console. Remember all these I had to cut? 1.25 inches because 3/8 on this side and 3/8 on this side. And the first platform's 2 inches thick, so got to make 18 of these, so we're going to make 20. So, and this scraps from the first part, so when I get more, I'll bring you guys back. Oh, wait. I couldn't find any more of the Cars fleece. So I got this American flag fleece. That'd be cool. And this only cost $11. $11.53. Gotta love Hobby Lobby. So that's the fleece we'll be using on the back, So that's what I'm doing, is I'm cutting away. Later. Hey tubers, yeah, we started on the back. What I learned from building the front is that it's build it and then we'll put the fleece on and then we'll construct the whole thing. So we'll build like this wall and then we'll build the opposite wall, then we'll build the base, put the fleece on all of it, and then we'll put it together. So that's what I'm doing right now, is this first wall, per se, or the side, and that's what I'm doing right now. We're getting ready to go. It's going to go up on the angle, the way the pan comes back on the car. The seat's up, but I'll show you. But yeah, so I'll get a little more detailed on this one than I did on the first one, maybe for you. Maybe set up the tripod and you guys can watch me work. But that makes for long, boring videos. But we'll see. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. One side done. Starting on the other one. Yes, I have it marked out on the bench. There's the end. And this block is the beginning. So that's where I'm at. I still have enough studs left. They're 1.25 inches. And yeah, I made a, remember from the first one, I made a template so I could just slide it in and cut along here and get our 1.25 inches. So that's where I'm at, and I'm starting to babble on. So guess what? I'm going to shut this off, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute or two later. Hey guys, we're about almost done with the second side. So what I do is from my stash of 1.25 inches long, I pick one out and I sand the fit all along. Hold on, bear with me. I'm going to do this one-handed. All along, making sure that it still stays 2 inches. And we hit it with some CA, a little quick set, and we move on. If it starts warping or pulling up, then we can put this on it. Believe me, that weighs, that's a good pound, maybe 2 pounds. So that's all I'm doing. And then we cover it with fleece. Then we have to measure the width of the other one and see if it's going to fit, or if we have to shrink it, or how we'll do anything on that, and then we'll put it together. So I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to go ahead and staple the fleece on it and get it like that, and that'll be it for today. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. I don't know what's all on this video. I'll download it to the computer and see. But if you guys want if you want up on a tripod and see this step by step, then I'll go ahead and do that. I just started. Oh, believe me, there's a lot more to it. Actually, I think I'm going to have to order some more basswood too. This is, for those just tuning in, this is 3/8 basswood, B-A-S-S-W-O-O-D. It's light, but it's stronger than balsa wood. You can actually use a brad nailer on this stuff. Alright guys, now I'm babbling. Later. Hey guys, quick built a jig to hold the back console in, the bottom of it, and then we covered it in wax paper because we didn't want to glue it to the tool bench. And yeah, that's about it. So now we get to start building stringers going across. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back. Wasn't I supposed to end this? Alright, no, forget it. I ain't going to bring you back. This is it. Alright, this is the last one for today. We'll pick this up tomorrow, and later. Everybody have a good evening. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and of course, commenting. Later.